He didn't win by playing fair. He didn't follow the rules. He changed the whole deck. While others tried to get a good hand, Donald Trump built the casino. You see a golden building with his name on it. He sees a power card. You see a lawsuit? He sees a calculated bluff. You see bankruptcy? He sees a new deal. And the scariest part? It worked. If you think money is only made with effort, spreadsheets, and resumes, you're still playing the game like a pawn. I'm Mr. R, and today you'll learn how Donald Trump got rich, but more importantly, you'll learn how to play your cards in the real world. If that game interests you, subscribe now. Here, you don't watch videos, you see the system. Donald Trump was born with cards in hand, that's true, but he wasn't the only one. The difference, he played. While other rich kids inherited businesses, Trump inherited his father's vision and multiplied it like a stacked deck. He learned early, real estate was chips, banks were partners, debt was leverage. When you owe the bank, you're trapped. When he owed billions, the banks were trapped with him. Got that? Trump turned debt into a power card. He bet with money he didn't have, but with the confidence that the name Trump would keep him from folding. It's like holding a bad hand, but making everyone believe you've got a royal flush. That was the first move. The second, branding. Trump realized something before most people. Your name is a card. And if your name is worth more than the product, you never lose. He put his name on buildings, casinos, ties, vodka, schools, board games, even steaks. Were the products great? Doesn't matter. The card was on the table, and when the market saw Trump, it reacted. That's a card you don't buy, you build, with boldness, exposure, and controversy. Third move, media. Trump became a reality show host, not because he needed the money, but because he needed the world to see him as the game master. You thought it was just entertainment. No, it was marketing, image, psychological dominance. When he said, "You're fired," in front of millions, he wasn't eliminating contestants, he was imprinting power. Masses crave heroes or villains. Trump understood that both make headlines. And that's how he became president. But hold on, this video isn't just about him, it's about you. Because even if you weren't born with Trump's cards, you're still at the table. Maybe your hand sucks, but the rules, they're still flexible. You have a name, an image, credit, courage. You have hidden cards you've never played because you were taught to fold before you even started. Want to know where it starts? With perception. Who you are online is a card. How you show up at work, in conversations, on social media, that's a card. Can you invest like Trump? No, but you can think like him. Learn to treat your name as a brand. Use credit intelligently, as leverage, not chains. Turn attention into an asset. Most people are afraid to risk. Trump went all in. He didn't always win, but he always played. And as much as you may criticize him, and there are reasons, his game worked. Now, let me ask you, will you keep watching from the sidelines or sit at the table? Leave a comment below. What card are you hiding that you haven't played yet? That idea, skill, or bold move you've kept buried. Maybe it's time to lay it down. Before the game keeps going without you, take a breath. You don't have to be Trump, or Musk, or Bezos, but you have to stop playing like you're always losing. The one who controls the table isn't the one with the best hand, it's the one who understands the game. And now, you're beginning to understand it. So, what can you do starting today? Invest in 3 of your cards: knowledge,
digital presence, and connection. Today, attention is capital. Learn relentlessly, show up boldly, build relationships with those who move. Your bar of gold isn't in the bank, it's in the value you create and how loud it echoes. Play those 3 cards and reinvest every time. If this video opened your eyes, hit like. And if you want to keep leveling up, subscribe now. This is where the real rules are revealed. I'll see you in the next round. And remember, the world isn't fair, but every deck has a wild card. Maybe it's you.